Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial Ludo again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix your Messenger group chat problem on your Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to fix the Messenger group chat problem on your Messenger app, let's open up our Messenger app. And before we dive directly to the group on which we want to chat, first check your internet connection on your mobile device by tapping like this, scrolling down your notification bar, and check your Wi-Fi or your internet connection provided by your carrier, are they strong or weak. And after checking those, once again try your chatting on the group chat, and if the problem continues, then you might want to see if your messenger is updated or not. To do that, go to the Play Store itself, and after opening the Play Store, search for Messenger, and you can see there is the Messenger available. If there is an update button available on the side of the Messenger as I have open, then you might want to update your Messenger app first, and again try chatting on the group chat itself. For me, I have already updated the Messenger, so there is the open button available for me. And again, if the problem continues after updating your Messenger app, you can try another fix. For that, go to the settings of your mobile phone and search for the apps category over here by scrolling down, and there is the apps. And after that, try searching for Messenger, and you can see there is the Messenger app. Tap on Messenger, and over here you can see the storage option available over here. Tap on storage, and over here you can see there is the clear cache and the clear data button available at the bottom of the screen. First try tapping on the clear cache option, and after that the cache will be clear, and again try to chat on the group of your Messenger. And even though you did all those steps, the problem if still continues, then try tapping on clear data, which will reset your Messenger app on your phone, and the Messenger will be started from the beginning after you have like installed the Messenger, and it will be restarted. And even if though the problem continues after that, try reinstalling your Messenger app on your device, and that should cover up your problems. And there guys, this is how you fix your group chat problems on your Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.